I remember in 2021 when I was sitting on my dining table studying for a CET exam. My dad told me I couldn't do it. I can't pass the exam. And I thought, yeah, I can't do it. I just had so much doubt in me that, yeah, I can't do it. And when when I was gonna fight in an MMA fight, I had the same doubt. Can I do it? Will I win? Do I have the capability and ability to win? And now I am at the point that I feel no doubt. So, this is exactly how you can do it too. The thing about doubt is, doubt happens to us all the time. It's just biological in our brain to think that, oh, can we do it? Can we do this? Can we achieve this? Doubt happens to us all the time. So don't think that you have something wrong in you to doubt yourself. When you doubt yourself, you don't see the reality. The reality is that you could actually achieve the thing, you could actually have the potential, you could actually have the talent. Your mind is projecting some belief in you or past experience that happened to you in which you failed, or someone told you that you couldn't do it. That's why doubt comes. But the thing is, you can actually do it. Now I can't give you like practical advice like do this and do this tactic, but you just have to accept it that doubt happens to all of us, and success is on the other side of doubt. You might have heard this quote, success is on the other side of fear. I've seen a video of Mike Tyson saying that he was afraid before every fight that his opponent might knock him out, and then he goes there still and fights. Imagine having fear inside of you that you're gonna be knocked out, you're gonna be lying on the floor in front of everybody and still going inside there. That's what happens. Everybody else will tell you that no, you can't do it. Even your parents might tell you that no, you can't do it. But you can. Have you even tried? Have you even gave your best? I like this thing from Andrew Tate actually, where he says, if you try your best, you cannot fail. And it's actually true. If you try your best, you cannot fail. But people don't even try their best. They are like, oh, I'm gonna burn out. How will you burn out if you haven't even tried? You keep doubting yourself because you have never tried. Go out there and do it. Your parents will tell you you can't do it. Your friends will tell you you can't do it. Be delusional. People call me delusional a lot, a lot of times, and I'm like, yeah, I am. You got to be delusional to the point, but you have to believe that you can do it. There's times when nobody believed in me, but I did. I had full conviction. So you gotta be have this immense belief in yourself that you can do it. Others will tell you that you are delusional. Who cares? When you achieve that goal, or at least give your absolute best, you feel so good. Trust me. So sometimes nobody will believe in you, but you have to believe in yourself. I believe in you because you know it. You have the potential. Here is your potential, but you are here because of your parents, because of your self doubt, because of other people's opinions of you, that you can't do it. But if you just give your absolute best and you burn out maybe here, and you burn out one day, then you know that you have to stay right here to not burn out and to win. But for that, you need to go one step above. You need to get burnt out. You need to actually go and do it. That's how you kill self doubt. Actually believe in yourself. The first chapter in this great book that I recommend you to read, The Magic of Thinking Big, is believe you will succeed, and you will, and you actually can. I know it hurts that when people doubt you, and even your own parents doubt you. It's normal because you don't have the track record for them to believe. It's okay, but I know it hurts. But that's how life works. You have to break those beliefs of people. You have to sometimes break your own beliefs that you thought you couldn't do something, but you actually did. Go out there and do a 10-kilometer run randomly, and you might see how much you are capable of doing things. For real. I know a friend who just randomly decided to do a 10-kilometer run one day, no practice, no nothing. He went there, did a 10 km run, and he was shocked because he hadn't done cardio for a long time. He lifts weight, but he doesn't do cardio. And he was shocked he did 10-kilometer run without any practice. So sometimes you have the ability to do some things, but there's just doubt right in your mind from other people's or your past experiences that hold you back. You can actually do it. Don't listen to other people. You have the ability to do it. Take action. Don't be chomo. Scroll down right now and subscribe. See you soon, bro.